How to fix wireless charging not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, for restart device, just click and hold power button and volume up button, and you will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, and make sure enable fast wireless charging button. After enable fast wireless charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.